Hi, Gwen Baker here with ScholarOne Manuscripts, and I'd like to talk to you about the benefits of iCal for your email templates. Have you been asked how can we assist reviewers to submit reviews without sending an extra email? The answer is iCal. Clicking on the question mark next to the iCal will give you a list of tags that can be associated with the iCal reminder. The reviewer agreed email in your invitation response email templates is a great place to start using iCal. Be sure to check the template that you have the appropriate tag. When the reviewer receives their thank you for agreeing to review email, they'll see their due date as well as the iCal attachment. If the reviewer double-clicks on the iCal attachment in Outlook, this is the window they'll receive. They can then click Save to save this information into their calendar. When the event is saved into the calendar, it will appear as an all-day transparent event, meaning the reviewer will still appear as available for other items. The reminder alert will be sent 12 and 6 hours prior to the deadline. The reviewer agreed email template is just one of many templates that can benefit from the iCal reminders. Thank you for watching.